This is my easiest cinnamon roll recipe I've ever made. Not only are they gluten-free and egg-free, they are actually completely vegan. But they are still wonderfully light and fluffy and just incredibly tasty. No complicated steps needed, just mix your ingredients, let them rise, roll them out, and then a quick rise, bake and enjoy. Please check the video description for the ingredients. I've also linked all my other recipes down there for you. If you're liking my recipes, I'd be super happy if you gave me a like or dropped a comment.
Shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.